Prakash. Welcome to my channel. So today in this episode I am going to tell you how to play some of the easy games with just paper and pen and some of the easy things which are available at every home. Okay, so let's get started. You can play these games for how many times you want unlimitedly. Okay, so the first game is played with a graph paper, two color pens and two dice. So you think brown color is mine and black is the opponent's. This is played by any number of members. So now for sample I am showing how to play with two members. Okay, now brown is mine and black is the opponent's. Take the dice and roll it. I have got 4, 4. So now I will draw it in this way. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 4. 4, 4. 4 fours are 16. Next, it's the opponent's turn. 4, 2. So opponent will start from this side. 2, 4. He gets 8. Next, it's my turn. 3, 3. So 1, 2, 3. 3, 3. So 9. 3 3s are 9. I have got 9 squares. Next, the opponent. 1, 1. 1, 1 and 1. He just gets 1 square. So my turn. 2, 1. So 3. 2, 1. I get 2 squares. Next, it's the opponent's turn. 5, 1 means 5 ones are 5. He gets 5 squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In this way, you have to fill the whole paper with these and you have to add the whole score. So now let's count the score. 9 plus 16, 25. 25 plus 2, 27. And the opponent's is 8 plus 1, 9. 9 plus 5, 14. So I am the winner. In this way, you have to play this game. So the next game is played with a paper. On the paper you have to draw in this way and take 4 caps, 2 of one color and the 2 of another color. Here these are of purple and these 2 are of blue. Okay, so you think this purple color is mine and the blue color is the opponent's. Okay. So the main motto of this game is to block the motion of the opponents, means to block the movement of the opponents. So first my move, next the opponent's move, my move, opponent's move. You have to move in this way. Now the opponent has blocked my way. I cannot move any way further. So the opponent gets 1 point. In this way you have to play the game. So the next game is played with a dot paper, or you can make in this way on a paper with all dots, each with gap having 1 centimeter. And even with this you have to take 2 color sketches as the previous game. Okay, so this game is mine and opponents. Okay, the one who completes the square first, that square belongs to them. Okay, so I'll draw a line here. Between any 2 dots you can draw a line. The opponent will draw it here. I'll draw here. And then the opponent will join these 2 to make a square. So this goes to the opponent. So BL. Next, I'll draw a line. Opponent will draw like this. Again I'll draw. This way it keeps on continuing. Then I'll draw. Now here the opponent can complete the square. So this box is completed by the opponent. So this belongs to him. Next, in the same way, you have to play this game like this. You can play in any designs. Now if I join this line, then the opponent gets this whole box. So now I'll divert it in this way. Then again the opponent will try to join it. Now again if I join, this whole becomes to the opponent. So again I'll divert it. You have to never draw diagonally, only straight or cross, that's it. Now the opponent got point. Oh shit. So this whole belongs to black. So you have to play this game in this way. So the last game is, so for the last game, the fourth game, you have to take a paper, empty paper and a pen. You have to fold it in this way. First fold, second fold and third fold. Okay, in this way. Now label the pages 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now you choose any one category. You say animal names, birds names, plants names, flowers names, any occupations or any other thing. Okay. Now for example, if you take occupations, write any 10 occupations like teacher, doctor, lawyer, etc. Any 10 in the first page. And out of the 10, select any 7 and write here. And write any 5 here. And in the last page, write any 4 or 3 or 2 as your wish. In the same way, as I have told you, I have written 10 occupations here. Out of the 10, any 7. Out of this 10, any 5 here. Out of this 10, any 3 here. Now you go near your friend and ask him to choose any one of these 10 and ask him to not say it out. Keep it secretly inside him. So for example, he thinks teacher. Then turn the next page and ask, is the one you choose is in this page? Then if he says yes, as teacher is here, he says yes. Next, is it here, you ask. He says yes. Is it here, you ask. He says no. Then how to know what he thought? For this you need to take any 5 seconds to 10 seconds time and think very well. You have to observe all the similar points. It is there in the first 3 and not there in the 4. So it means that they are not these 3. Engineering, lawyer, police, not. So remove them from the list. So it is there in this 3. Which is commonly there in this 3. That is the thing he has chosen. So friends, if you liked my video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.